The layout is there, the direction is coming together, but this is usually where the real production work starts. So let's jump in and take a look at how agents can help us polish and scale what's already there. Here we have 3 stock images that were generated with this page, but I've got a few approved image files to replace them with. Normally, I'd have to replace each image one by one, but instead, I'm going to drag my files right into the chat and tell the agent to replace the placeholder images with the correct image for each location on the contact page. And just like that, my images are swapped for the approved ones. Now, let's move from visuals to copy. And here's the thing, nobody wants to comb through every page manually to look for repetitive or flat-sounding copy. So I'll ask the agent to audit the site for me by asking, what adjective is used most in written text site-wide? As we can see here, it found that we're using the word bold a little too often. So I can follow up with, our site-wide copy mentions bold too many times. Replace some instances with synonyms that match our tone. The changes are made and we get a full summary of every change, what was replaced, where, and why. I also want to point out that it's not just doing a blind find and replace. It's looking at the surrounding content and making edits that still fit the tone of the site. And I can even take that a step further by asking it to do things like rewrite any passive copy in a more active voice. What used to take a dedicated copy pass is now done in just a few prompts. And the result is tighter, more consistent copy across our entire site. And the same idea can help cover things that are easy to miss before launch, like SEO titles, descriptions, semantic tags, image alt text, you name it. And after launch, you can even chat about your site's analytics and get detailed insights about what's going on with your visitors and what you can do about it. Okay, so now that the copy is in a better place, let's move on to fixing up anything that might become annoying to maintain later. I'm talking elements that have the potential to become components. Things like buttons, list items, nav links, usually anything that shows up more than once. For example, I have a list of services here and each item follows the same structure, making it the perfect candidate to be a component. So to clean this up, I'll ask the agent to turn these list items into a single component with variables. Replace each with an instance and populate the variables with the content from each card. This is a huge time saver and makes things way easier to manage if I want to make any changes in the future. Now, instead of manually inspecting every page of my site to figure out what else could be a component, I can take this a step further and simply ask the agent to audit the site for smaller repeated elements that would make sense as reusable components. And just like before, the agent gives me a summary of what it found, and I can decide what's actually worth turning into a component or not. Another place the agent can save us a lot of time is by adding interactive variants to a component like a mobile navigation, for instance, because let's be honest, mobile navs can be a bit annoying to set up. So looking at our nav component here, I already have a phone variant, but no expanded state for the menu itself. So I'll ask the agent to create open and close states for the existing phone nav variant. And I'll also say use a menu text button to show the nav links and change it to close when open. Okay, now let's preview the phone breakpoint to see how it looks. Perfect. The mobile nav is working, the states are set up, and the interactions all wired up. All right, so the agent handled the tedious setup, and I can still jump in to polish anything that needs a final pass. Okay, now let's talk code components. And yes, agents have the ability to create flashy interactive code components from scratch. But what's really nice is that agents can use what's already on the canvas as a starting point. For example, on the contact page here, I have this analog clock component that I want to bring to life. So I'll tell the Canvas agent to turn this into a functioning analog clock with a property for time zone. And the agent takes the visual direction from what's on the canvas, but makes it functional. What I really love about this is that it works for big sections like an interactive hero and small production details like a copyright component that updates the year automatically. Either way, with the help of agents, code components can now be created directly from the context of what's on the canvas. Now, let's get into some CMS stuff, where agents can really take a lot of the tedious setup off our plate. For example, Joseph copied some items from the services page to the homepage, but if we want to keep every mention of our services consistent site-wide, we might want to create a services CMS collection from the 13 individual service items on the services page, connect the homepage services section to it, and show only 6 items. And with this one prompt, the CMS agent isn't just creating a new collection. It also replaces those services on the homepage with a collection list, dynamically populated from the new CMS collection. That's a serious time saver. We've also got a new opportunity to make a structural update to our CMS. So I already have a team collection where each person has a field referencing the projects they've worked on. But what I really want is each case study in the work collection to reference who worked on it. So I'll tell the CMS agent that team collection items multi-reference work collection items, and that I want to add a multi-reference field to the work collection to reference the corresponding team items. And now, each work item references the correct team members. Quick and easy. Okay, let's quickly look at a more everyday CMS cleanup task. Here I have a collection of blog posts already in place, but the titles feel more like rough placeholders than polished article titles. I could sit and read each blog post to come up with a relevant title myself, or I could have the CMS agent batch rename the blog CMS items with clear, polished article titles. It's that easy. And to be honest, a lot of CMS tasks aren't necessarily hard. They're just repetitive. For example, if I needed to simplify a bunch of slugs and redirect the old URLs to the new URLs, I'd much rather hand that off to a CMS agent than go through each item myself. And as you might expect, agents can also design whole new sections on the canvas using our CMS content. If we take a look at the team collection here, we can see all of the team members in it. So I'll head over to the About page, use the context tool to select the team section, and then ask the agent to show team members from CMS grouped by department, label left, cards right, in a grid. And because the agent has full context of our project, it's not creating this in a vacuum. It can use the styles, spacing, typography, and design patterns that are already set up throughout the site. So what is generated feels like it belongs, and all of the team members and their information are pulled right onto our canvas from the team collection within our CMS.